How's everybody doing today? So this is my boy Dante. So today we're just gonna do a point 0.5, aka a shadow fade. He likes to freehand the top, angle the sides inwards instead of a flat top. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the cut. So today we're using the Walls cordless magic clips. So we're going to have the lever all the way open, and we're just going to go create our guideline all the way around. So since I have the guards off still, I just go right into the taper, clean up the back part so I'm not jumping around too much. Of course, we're doing a ball taper, so we're going to go ahead and close up the clippers and just go ahead and start fading. So I like to use a 3 lever motion. That means open, mid, and close. So with this taper, with it being a shadow fade, that's there's 3 easy steps. We're just gonna have it close like I said earlier. Then I'm gonna open it up all the way. Then I go midway, and I just kind of erase that middle line, and it just fades right in there very nicely. So I just put on the 16th guard with my clipper all the way open. Right now I'm creating another guideline. And as I go into fading out that line, I'm going to go ahead and close my clippers, and I'm going to use the corner of the blade. So that's going to be like the first 3 on each corner. It helps blend out that line and makes it more of a cleaner fade. So as you guys can see, there's still a faint line right over here, but we're not going to worry about that because we're just going to go ahead and take care of that later on when we detail the cut. But I just threw on the 1 guard. I have the lever all the way open, as I do with all my steps, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and close it up right now, and I'm going to go ahead and knock those dark spots with the corner of my blades to help that fade blend out even better. And another reason why I like to use the corners is because sometimes you don't have to even fade out the whole thing. There's only certain spots. So by using the corner, you're ensuring not creating another guideline as well. So I got the 1.5 guard on. I have the lever all the way open. Walls only carries this guard. I like using this guard because it blends into the two very nicely. And this is going to be the last guard I'll be using. And now I'm going to go ahead and pick the sides out just to help make sure that I don't go too far in, especially with curly hair, man. You want to be very light with it, otherwise you could go cut too much hair off. Like I said, I'm picking it out because he likes to angle it in. He doesn't like to have that box look, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that pick that out a little bit. Alright, over here I'm going ahead and I'm freehanding it. I have the lever all the way closed with no guard on. This part you have to have steady hands, but don't let that scare you. Just make sure that you take your time. When you're freehanding, you don't want to rush it. It's a very delicate situation. So I just put on the 16th guard. Go ahead and take out all those dark spots with using the corner, the first 3 teeth of the corners. I have the lever all the way open. We're doing that so that way we don't raise the fade up, and brushing it so that way I could see a clean canvas. And I'm moving him in different angles so that way I could see where I'm missing and where I need to touch up. So like I said, you want to make sure that you brush it out so you can see a clean canvas, and just go through it. Make sure you're doing really good, because customers like it when you take your time and you don't rush it, and you just go ahead and knock out those dark spots to blend it in real nice. Once again, I'm going ahead and I'm just moving him around, seeing any spots. I see a few, so I'm going to go over it. But since I'm going a little higher into the fade, I'm using a 1 guard, and I have the lever all the way open to help ensure that I'm not going too high into it. So I can still see a few dark spots. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my liners, and I'm going to go ahead and line it up so that way it could really pop and I could really see any missed detailed spots. Alright, once again, when it comes up to the lineup, this is another important spot that you want to take your time. Clients know when you're rushing it. Once again, the lineup needs to be on point. I mean, the lineup is what brings the haircut alive. With the crooked lineup, the haircut's all messed up. So you would just want to make sure that you get that really nice and sharp. It also helps you see any imperfections in this fade. So at this point, I want to take my time to apologize to you guys because unfortunately I lost some footages. So you're not going to be able to see the final cut. I mean, after this lineup, the cut's pretty much done. The only few things that you're going to be missing is that I'm going to be really getting into detail because I could already see some things that I'm missing. You're going to miss me doing the straight razor on them and clean up the top a little because it's kind of fuzzy on top. So I just want to make sure that this haircut's on point. With that being said, man, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment. That's gonna help me keep going and doing these videos for you guys. All right, enjoy.